Welcome, and in this video I'll show how to find all your group greetings on Facebook web using your PC with the latest update. If you've ever sent greetings in a Facebook group and later wanted to check them again, this quick guide will help you get there in just a few steps. First, open Facebook web on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once the home page loads, go to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open the main menu where all your account options are located. From there, look for Settings and Privacy and click on it. A new set of options will appear, and this is where Facebook keeps many of your account controls and activity tools. Now click on Activity Log. This section is very useful because it stores different actions you've taken on Facebook, making it easier to review your past activity. Inside the activity log, go to your Facebook activity. This area organizes your actions into categories so you can find specific things much faster. After that, click on Groups. Facebook will now show you group-related activity options. Next, enter your group greetings. This is the section where you can view the greetings you have sent in groups. If you've been active in several groups, this option helps you quickly find and review all of them in one place. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can access all your group greetings on Facebook web from your PC. It's a simple method, but it can save you a lot of time when you want to check your past greetings without scrolling through your entire activity history. If this video helped you, make sure to keep following for more easy Facebook tips and updates.